Bolts didn't look like they were in sync. Durham with the pass inside.
Nice move by Park.
And Vic Lowe recognizing that. Again, great recognition.
Yeah.
Take it to the hole.
Yeah.
Kennedy. Pump fake, getting loose.
That's beautiful.
Great play out of
Yeah. That two-man game really works well.
Vic Lowe controlling the ball. Gives it to Matsuaki. Mismatch right here. Isolation. Whoa! Turnover in a crucial time.
Banquero played really tough defense. Good job. That's a huge size mismatch.
Yeah. And even though that team was zoning up, they didn't give a good passing angle to Vic Lowe.
Yeah.
Might be the same play right here. Kennedy and Durham going into two-man game. Snaking, giving it to Durham. Kick out. And a drive to counter the defense on a closeout. Second chance point.
Oh, finally.
Yeah,
Finally.
laying it in.
Quinto scores.
That's his first bucket of the game.
They need it.
Yeah. Way to be ready. Lucky. Kirk, they switch back. Kirk with the jumper. Doesn't hit the rim. Kennedy. 3-point.
Oh.
This is a crucial defensive possession for the Bolts. If they can get one stop here, they still have daylight. Whoa!
Good steal by Quinto.
Can he take it all the way? Or Matsuaki tried to foul,
Yeah,
but the referee lets them play. They should definitely try to capitalize on this possession. Vic Lowe ghosting into a pick and roll.
They stop.
And now the Bolts trying to push. No need to rush. Need to get a good shot. There's a foul on the closeout attack by Durham.
I know Durham should take it.
But that's 45 seconds to go. Durham up top. Tries to drive. He gets the foul and stops the clock. And
That's good for the.
he knocks down both of them. Now a little more pressure on Ryukyu Golden Kings. Even Kishimoto had a turnover a while ago. Kishimoto bringing up the ball. Using Jack Lee's screen. Can't create an advantage. Vic Lowe with the clock winding down. 4 seconds in the shot clock. To the right jumper. No good.
Let's have a chance to tie it.
They need 3 points or and one. What should they do? Kennedy and Durham. Two-man game. 5 seconds left. Oh, Kennedy gave it up to Durham. Vic Lowe strikes at it. And that is end of the game.